How to make NPCs happy in Terraria. So make sure to give each individual NPC their own separate room. Avoid overcrowding since packing too many NPCs into one small area actually spikes their prices upward instead of lowering them like you'd expect. Next is place them specifically in the biome they personally like best. So every NPC has its own distinct biome preferences that affect overall happiness. As you can see, I have a custom house right here for this NPC right there. So for this mushroom NPC, I basically created a biome where the NPC came from, and it actually looks great. And also pay close attention to neighbors. Some NPCs genuinely love or hate being housed right next to specific others. Check their happiness dialogue directly by talking to them, and it tells you exactly what they currently like or dislike. So as you can see, there's the happiness option right there. Click on it and you could read it right here. So for this one, it says that the close presence of others disrupts my juju and comfort. So the Dryad is a kindred spirit of nature. My soul is at peace in their presence. Fury fills my being as abominations sprout from tainted earth. I speak of Enoki the truffle. So it basically says that he hates being nearby the truffle NPC right here. So what I want to do next in my case is basically separate them and make sure that they are far apart. So just basically fix whatever they're complaining about, and that's how you basically make NPCs happy in Terraria.